I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 8th to May the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo dyan, no? So I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Marami tayong pag-uusapan. Pero Capricorn, simulan na natin. Mga Caps. Mga Caps. Nahihilig ako ngayon kasi sa SB19. So, I'm a strawberry. There's mga SB19 dyan, kaya mga Caps ang tawag. So, Caps, Capricorn, the universe. Wala, siningin ko lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin talaga, no? Na I'm a fan. Pero, eto lang nga. It felt like meron nangyayari sa buhay natin. Hindi natin alam kung bakit ito nangyayari. Anong purpose. Hindi natin, makita ang sense of it for now. No? Pwedeng maganda yung nangyayari, pwedeng hindi. Kasi meron din talaga magandang nangyayari, tapos tinatanong mo, am I deserving of this? No? Am I deserving to have this, to have you? Or kung hindi naman maganda yung nangyayari, bakit ako pa? No? Madami naman dyan. Siguro hindi naman ako masamang tao. Ayan. So parang I feel like madaming pwede kasing nangyayari sa buhay natin so far, especially this coming week or this week, no? Medyo iisipin natin, ano kayang reason na to? It may sound cliche dahil, again, naririnig nyo na to, meron talaga mga bagay na after mangyari, doon pa lang sasabihin, kaya pala siya nangyari sa buhay ko. It's because of this reason, no? The Wheel of Fortune, the Star, and the Five of Swords. I feel like meron parang ditong drum roll, no? Alam niyo yung kapag sinusurprise ka, yung gumaganyan-ganyan, no? Yun yung nakikita ko kasi dito, parang pinapakaba ng kaunti, no? Sabi nga nila, iba minsan maglaro ang tadhana, no? Ang universe. Kasi parang ibinibigyan ka muna ng lesson. Parang kailangan mo munang kabahan, no? Kailangan mo munang mag-overthink for a little while, especially when it comes to finances and or wealth. Siguro sumugal tayo dito, no? Hindi natin alam kung kung makukuha natin yung goal natin, whether it is business or probably literally, no? Sugal. But I feel like the Wheel of Fortune kasi signifies not just the highest form. This is the greatest, no? The Wheel of Fortune, parang maglaland na lang siya sa lap mo. You might be expecting something. Let's say, tumaya ka ng piso. Mananalo ka ng 100. Pero you might be expecting 100. Pero kinakabahan ka, no? While waiting. But then again, ang mapapanalunan mo pala is 10,000, no, out of piso. Hindi, kumbaga, na-exceed nito ang expectations, no? With the Five of Swords in here, parang nandun nga yung medyo pinapakaba ka. With the Star kasi, ito yung parang, uy, sandali. I'm the star of the show. Um, the yung mga lights, no, nasa akin. I feel celebrity. I feel like um, hinahangaan ako. Especially when the careers and job, this might be an opportunity, especially kapag nung nagkaroon ng openings, doon sa mga nagpasa ng kanilang interest, no? Letter of interest. I feel like sa type ng competition, medyo kinakabahan ka. Pero I feel na ikaw ito mapipili, no? For the win, no? For the position. Relationships, singles, meron man tayo mga nakikita na apple of the eye natin. Pero nagkaroon tayo kasi ng takot. It felt like that we shouldn't dahil kasi this person might also be might also be eyeing on us. No? Crushes and no labels, I kind of I kind of feel na low-key, same kayo ng nararamdaman. It just so happen na ikaw itong masyadong giving, masyadong obvious. Siguro tinatago pa ni person. Either hiya, or baka ganun lang siya talaga. Or baka the person is just observing, no? Itong mga bagay-bagay for, kasi siguro ayaw magkabali, no? In a relationship, married couples, chances are meron man kayong mga arguments, no? The situations might be in a rocky, sabihin nating, position as of the moment. But the thing here is, it doesn't necessarily mean na yung rocky situation na yon will lead to separation. Well, it kinda, yun yung parang siguro nakapagbitaw kayo ng mga salita, pero it's not going to end there, no? A third-party situation, yes, you may be in a third-party situation, whether you know it, whether you just found out na pumasok ka sa relasyon kasi hindi ko naman alam na meron palang ganito. But I feel like ikaw itong parang focus no? Hindi ko sinasabing baliwala na rin yung kabila, pero mas sa'yo yung pabor. Well, hopefully, sana mawala na nga, no? Para maging two-way itong relationship. Separated couple, I feel like ikaw pa din, no? Hindi ka nawaglet, nako ang lalim, hindi ka nawaglet sa puso at isipan ng person na ito. It feels like nandun pa rin yung wanting, nandun pa rin yung pag-alala, yung care, no? The Page of Swords. I love the Page of Swords showed up. This signifies agreement. This signifies committed relationship. This signifies bond between us, no? The Four of Vessels. So, why the Four of Vessels in here and the King of Vessels? So, parang someone is observing if this is going to work out. Prior divulging the information, prior expressing my emotion to you. Let's clarify the Four of Vessels, the Three of Swords, and the Page of Pentacles. So it felt like meron ditong hugot kasi probably the person experienced separation from the past, hurtful things from the past that kind of, sabihin kasi natin dito, medyo na-traumatized, no? Itong person na ito. And it keeps on haunting them. Kaya medyo stuck ako sa mga bagay. Kaya hindi ko masyado na-express ang aking feelings. But then again, it doesn't mean na wala akong nararamdaman. Sometimes it hurts for the yung nakaka-reciprocate nitong ganitong energy dahil yung isa giving, yung isa naman medyo reserved. Pero it felt like mabigyan lang ito ng security na this relationship is going to last long, or if given the chance for forever. I feel like unti-unti naman ma-express nito ang kanyang nararamdaman. Finances and wealth, it felt like ang maganda kasi dito, naku, parang missed opportunity to pag hindi ito binigyan ng pansin. Pag hindi ito ginawa, pag hindi ito sabihin nating pinaglaanan ng panahon, kahit konting panahon, or kahit konting investment. Kaya kung nanalo kayo ng loto at sinunod nyo tong reading na ito, wag mo akong kakalimutan. Alright? I-click mo na, save mo na. Ayan ha. Careers and job, well, congratulations dahil nakikita ko naman yung progress. Of course, kasunod nitong promotions, kasunod din naman itong paglaki ng sahod. So, ngayon pa lang, congratulations. Don't lose this opportunity. Singles, crushes, and no labels, dire-diretso mo yung ginagawa mo. Kasi I feel like konting kembot na lang, Parang dalawang split, 3 cartwheel na lang. Nandun ka na sa goal mo na mapasayo itong person na ito, or para ma-in love din ang person na ito. Sorry, tinitingnan ko ha, kasi baka umuulan. Nagsampay ako. Sayang naman. So when it comes to no labels, at saka, in a relationship, dun sa mga magjowa, huwag niyo bibitawan. You might have, kasama mo na yung married couple and third party, including the separated couple. Yes, you might have some issues with your person as of the moment. Challenges, misunderstanding. Pero dapat siguro mas panatilihin natin yung pangunawa. Not just because of isang pagkakamali, kakalimutan natin ang mga bagay-bagay. Hindi lang naman ikaw ang nag-invest dito, your person also invested on this, and for sure your person doesn't want for mag-crash lang lahat just because of one mistake, Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Now, this can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Pero bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalala sa inyo na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, dyan po ako nagla-live, So, pwede kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per questions for your reference. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Taurus, Sagittarius, Pisces, Scorpio, Aquarius. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.
You want the best of my heart, you just got